Hello, internets. It's Hands on CNC. I'm out traveling today, otherwise there'd be a CNC behind me, one of those sides. Anyways, my Prusa 3D printer finally shipped. I've been wanting to do a live cast of building this thing since I got it. I didn't know when it was going to ship, so I never wanted to announce, but it's shipping. It's going to be here Friday. Today is Monday the 9th, so it shows up Friday the 13th. I've got the orange one too, so like Halloweeny spookiness, orange and black. And anyways, it's April. It's not Halloween, but it is Friday the 13th. That's not the point. Point is Sunday, probably 10 a.m. CST to whenever we're done, we're going to open up the box. We're going to make the printer. We're going to have little kids running through the room because I'm not going to be able to stop them for like however long it takes me to build this thing. And then we're going to make Bodie, or whatever his name is, a little boat guy. That'll be April 15th, 2018. If you're watching this after April 15th, 2015, because I don't know, maybe I'll delete this post, maybe I won't. But if I don't and you're watching this, link there to the video I'm talking about. Otherwise, I will see everybody April 15th, 2015, sometime between 10 a.m. and whenever we're done. Like I said, we're just going to hook up a camera and point it at me, and you're going to watch me make funny faces while I try to figure out instructions. I hear not too bad, but you'll get to see. You'll get to find out how long does it really take. Start to finish. It could be interesting. Make comments, make jokes, point and laugh, share, like, let your friends know, especially anybody interested in 3D printing, interested in the Prusa models. It's a Mark 3, so it should be cool. All right, man. Talk to you guys Sunday.